Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve keyboard vibration problem. Friends, you have keyboard vibration problem, and friends you have this keyboard sound. So when how to fix and when how to solve keyboard vibration problem and this keyboard sound problem, today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to solve keyboard sound problem. Open your phone setting friends first of all. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on your search option. So as your keyboard will on. After on keyboard friends, click on your phone keyboard. Left side this icon friends, tap here. So friends, you can see keyboard setting will on. First theme, second font, friends you can translate, clipboard, text editing, language setting, number row, and sound and vibration. Friends, sound and vibration keyboard setting, click here. So friends, you have on get this key press sound volume. So guys you will have to off here, and as you can see vibrate. So both of setting guys you will have to off guys. Now you can use guys your keyboard without any vibration and without any sound. You can check friends, keyboard sound will not work, and guys keyboard vibration. Friends, you want to use again tap here. Friends, you want to use your vibrate, and friends you want to use your keyboard sound. So friends you can use. Friends, you don't want to use guys, you have this setting. So guys click on keyboard setting, sound vibration, and guys off. So like that guys we can solve guys keyboard sound problem, keyboard vibration problem. So guys now we can, so friends we can use our keyboard without any vibration, without any sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to solve keyboard sound problem. So bye guys.